Quincy Area Superintendent Eric Cummings and his crews have created light stands to assist with maintenance operations along State Routes 36, 70, and 89. These areas, like many in District 2, are rural, open to the elements, and extremely dark at night.
In the canyon, it's usually wind, sideways rain, cars are going down a dark canyon around corners, you're trying to get the best spot you can for your flagging station, and I want it lit up like a city. Our goal was to make a light stand that was easily accessible, that one person could easily load into a truck on an emergency scene and have adequate lighting comparable to a light plant on the side of the highway that you would tow.
Other criteria for the light stands were the ability to hold up in high winds and a sturdy standalone design that didn't require the structure to be attached to a vehicle.
I wanted to work off of something that was familiar to maintenance people, so we based it off a basic quad pod design. We wanted to keep it lightweight in aluminum, so we used the aluminum quad pods, and then we wanted it to be a simple setup, so we basically built a stand that the generator could sit on just in case there's vibration or anything, it wouldn't fall off. We didn't want to turn it into strapping down or anything else. We want it to be an efficient setup.
Along with being lightweight, the volume of the generator was also important.
We wanted a quiet generator so at the flagging station, the flagger would be able to talk on the radio, hear traffic coming, car skidding, and just basic safety functions.
Once the flagging station light stand was complete, Cummings and crew started working on a separate incident light design.
We took it to another level now that we had our flaggers covered, and we had the flaggers safe, but then we still had an incident to deal with, so we wanted a little better light for the incident, so we went with this rigid style light here. These are incident lights that they sell. A lot of emergency response vehicles use them. Each of these lights are all around 20,000 lumens, but they were waterproof, durable, and then we found on our incidents that we wanted more than just one light direction, so we doubled them up so that we can get up high, low, turn sideways.
Dean Liebert, an equipment operator too from Quincy, played an important role in the creation of the light stands.
Once we got the basics going on the stands, then Dean took it over, and it was an absolute pleasure for Dean on this. He really paid the attention to detail. He took over the whole project, really took it to a professional level on these, which I wanted and he wanted as well.
The result? Efficient, accessible, cost-effective flagging and incident lights that are now in use in each of Cummings' 5 maintenance areas.
To me, this is just the idea before the next idea, so we wanted to extend out the offer to others, other areas too. And so I built a prototype and I made a cut sheet on the aluminum and a little bit of instructions on the modifications that we made from cutting the parts to just the design. I'm waiting for the evolution. I'm waiting for the next good idea. I've been telling a lot of people that I've been giving it to like, all right, let's build from here.